Compatible with iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 Pro. Ultra-strong protection provides up to 5x greater scratch resistance than the leading glass alternative versus soda lime glass. Based on Corning tests. Actual results may vary. Incredibly quick, hassle-free installation for long-lasting, high-strength screen protection against drops, impacts and daily wear. Engineered by Corning, maker of innovative glass products for over 167 years. Includes OtterBox limited lifetime warranty. See website for details. OtterBox Performance Plus Glass, engineered by Corning, delivers a clear screen and pristine window into your world. Performance Plus is designed for long-lasting strength and up to 5x greater scratch resistance than the leading glass alternative to keep the view of all your important things perfectly clear. Top reviews from the United States. Works as advertised. Sometimes these screen protector units are a pain to install, but this one comes with a little template that fits over the phone. Makes fitting the screen a one-time deal. Went right on and it's hanging in there just fine. Sort of pricey, but what isn't today?